So today in school, I made slime, and I'm going to be teaching you ways to play with slime. So first is this really satisfying way. Oh, by the way, I choose the color blue for my slime. So this is the first way. You're going to need to make it like this. Put it on the table. I'll show you. Wait. I'll show you right now. Like that. Now, you're going to get some like this. Put them together. Fold. Now just keep on going like this for a long time. It won't get bigger, but it will become very satisfying. Keep on doing this. Now put it down and crunch it. Also bubble. Bubble is also a really fun way to play with slime, and it's almost my favorite way to play with it. I'll be showing you how to make a bubble. And I'll be showing you how to make a really good bubble. So you're gonna do this. Wait. So what you're gonna do, make it flat, do this, now bubble. You guys can't see that. And it'll also be satisfying. If you guys didn't understand how to do a really satisfying thing, it's like this. You put it on the ground and then like this. You put it up like this. Now you just make it like that. And then you crunch. Satisfying. Another way to do it is you do this. And then you close it. You do it like this.